Muskoka, Ontario, a region where nature, history, and adventure come together in the most unforgettable ways. Whether you're gliding across a pristine lake aboard a century-old steamship or climbing to the top of a scenic lookout for panoramic forest views, there's something here for every kind of explorer. From charming towns and breathtaking parks to magical winter trails and festive family attractions, Muskoka is packed with experiences that define true Canadian charm. In this video, we're diving into 7 of the best things to do in the area, from Huntsville to Dorset and beyond. You'll discover towering lookouts, tranquil waterfalls, forested hiking trails, thrilling jet ski rides, and even a place where Christmas comes alive year-round. Whether you're visiting in summer, fall, or winter, Muskoka delivers natural beauty and cozy vibes in every season. Stick around as we uncover hidden gems, scenic adventures, and family-friendly fun across one of Ontario's most iconic destinations. Let's explore the very best that Muskoka has to offer. Number 7. Sailing through time. Aboard the Muskoka Steamship Cruise. Sailing the waters of Lake Muskoka aboard a historic steamship is like stepping back into another era. The gentle chug of the engine, the polished wood decks, and the panoramic views all combine to create an experience that's both timeless and unforgettable. This is the RMS Segwun, North America's oldest operating steamship, first launched in 1887. Restored and maintained with incredible care, it still cruises today, offering a unique way to explore the heart of Ontario's cottage country. As the ship glides across the lake, passengers are treated to sweeping views of Muskoka's shoreline. Boathouses, rocky outcrops, forested islands, and elegant summer homes that tell their own stories of the region's history. On board, guides share tales of early steamship travel, from transporting goods to carrying Victorian-era vacationers. You can relax on the open-air deck, enjoy a meal in the dining salon, or simply watch the waves sparkle under the sun. More than just a boat ride, this cruise is a living museum on water, a perfect blend of heritage, nature, and tranquility. Number 6. Exploring Lions Lookout in Huntsville. Perched high above the town of Huntsville, Lions Lookout offers one of the most breathtaking panoramic views in Muskoka. This easily accessible viewpoint is a favorite for both locals and visitors looking to soak in stunning vistas of dense forests, shimmering lakes, and rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see. The short hike up to Lions Lookout is perfect for all skill levels, winding through peaceful trails surrounded by towering trees and the sounds of nature. Once you reach the top, the expansive lookout platform provides an unbeatable spot for photos, picnics, or simply taking a moment to relax and breathe in the fresh air. In every season, Lions Lookout reveals a different kind of magic. Vibrant fall colors transform the landscape into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges, and yellows, while winter blankets the area in snow, creating a serene winter wonderland. Spring and summer bring lush greenery and the sparkling reflection of the lakes below. Whether you're an avid hiker, nature lover, or photographer, Lions Lookout in Huntsville is a must-visit destination that perfectly captures the beauty of Muskoka. Number 5. Exploring Arrowhead Provincial Park. Waterfalls, trails, and scenic views. Arrowhead Provincial Park in Muskoka is a nature lover's paradise, where towering pine forests, peaceful lakes, and scenic trails come together in one unforgettable escape. Just minutes from Huntsville, this park offers some of Ontario's most serene and stunning landscapes year-round. Start your adventure on the Stubbs Falls Trail, a short and easy hike that leads to a beautiful cascade where the Little East River tumbles over ancient rock. It's especially magical in spring when the water rushes at full force. For incredible views, the Big Bend Lookout is a must. From here, you'll see the winding river curve dramatically through the valley, framed by dense forest. It's one of the most photographed spots in the park. Arrowhead is also famous for its forested trails, perfect for hiking or biking in summer and snowshoeing in winter. Whether you're here for a relaxing picnic by the lake, a paddle across peaceful waters, or a crisp hike through autumn leaves, Arrowhead delivers beauty and tranquility in every season. Number 4. Magical ice skating through the forest at Arrowhead Park. Gliding through a snow-covered forest, surrounded by towering pines and twinkling lights. This is the magic of Arrowhead Provincial Park's ice skating trail. Nestled in the heart of Muskoka, this one-of-a-kind winter experience transforms a simple skate into an unforgettable adventure. The 1.3-kilometer trail winds gently through the woods, offering skaters a peaceful, storybook-like atmosphere. Whether you're here during the day to soak up the natural light, or at night when the trail is lit by torches for the fire and ice experience, the scenery is pure winter enchantment. You don't need to be a pro skater to enjoy it. Just lace up your skates, dress warm, and let the forest lead the way. Rentals are available on-site, and there's a warming hut nearby where you can relax with a hot drink between laps. Arrowhead's skating trail isn't just beautiful. It's a true Canadian winter bucket list item. If you've ever dreamed of skating through a forest, this is the place where that dream comes to life. Number 3. Exploring Santa's Village. Muskoka's hidden holiday gem. Tucked along the Muskoka River, Santa's Village brings the spirit of Christmas to life, no matter the season. This whimsical amusement park is a family favorite, combining holiday magic with classic outdoor fun. From cheerful elves to festive music and twinkling lights, the whole park feels like stepping into Santa's own backyard. Kids can meet Santa himself, ride Rudolph's roller coaster, and hop aboard the Candy Cane Express train. There's a splash pad to cool off on hot summer days, plus mini golf, paddle boats, and plenty of shady spots for a picnic under the pines. For thrill seekers, check out the zipline park next door, or brave the bungee trampoline. The entire experience is designed with families in mind. Easy to navigate, packed with attractions, and full of joyful surprises at every turn. Santa's Village is more than a theme park. It's a magical escape where memories are made and Christmas spirit lives year-round. Number 2. Epic Day on the Water. Jet ski and boat adventures in Muskoka. Sunlight dances on the water as the day begins in Muskoka, Ontario's iconic cottage country. With endless lakes and winding rivers, there's no better way to explore than by boat or jet ski. The calm morning calls for a peaceful cruise, gliding past rocky shorelines, towering pines, and classic boathouses that dot the waterfront. As the sun climbs higher, the pace picks up. Time to hop on the jet ski and kick things into high gear. Speeding across the open lake, wind in your face, spray at your back. There's nothing quite like the thrill of carving through Muskoka's pristine waters. Whether you're chasing adventure or soaking up serenity, the region offers the perfect mix. Pull up to a floating dockside cafe, explore hidden inlets, or anchor for a swim in a quiet bay. This isn't just a ride. It's a full experience of Muskoka's natural beauty, where every wave and wake leaves you wanting more. Number 1. Stunning views from Dorset. Scenic Lookout Tower, rising above the treetops, Dorset's Scenic Lookout Tower offers some of the most breathtaking panoramic views in Muskoka. From the top of this historic wooden tower, the vast landscape of forests, lakes, and rolling hills unfolds in every direction. Whether it's the vibrant colors of autumn foliage, or the lush greens of summer, the scenery never fails to impress. The climb up is both fun and rewarding. Wooden stairs lead you to several viewing platforms where you can pause, take photos, and soak in the natural beauty. On clear days, the horizon stretches for miles, revealing a patchwork of sparkling lakes and dense woodlands that define this stunning region. Perfect for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone seeking a peaceful escape, Dorset's Scenic Lookout Tower is a must-visit spot. It's a place where the serenity of the outdoors meets unforgettable views, creating memories that last long after the descent.